What is going on, everyone? I'm Rene Barbecue here. Welcome to my channel. And today I want to show you my best controller, and I want to show you what to expect when you're going to buy the Xbox One S controller. It looks big in the pictures when you're looking forward to buy one, but this is how it looks like. It's very small. This is my hand. I'll measure it with this is how the box looks like, and the good news is it is a wireless controller, and it's awesome. I've had a pretty good feeling with this for quite some time. I bought it like 3 months ago. You can see the box is not all that new. Well, let's jump right into what we expect to get inside. And before that, we have some texts written here, and I don't really understand the language written there. But here we have, you can see, yes, we have, you can read that. I think we have 2 AA batteries, free. So let's jump right into this part.
Well, this is our box as I showed you earlier. Let me try opening it. It's gonna be sealed here. It will be having a seal here. I think you can feel this. Here, it's gonna be sealed, but I took off my seal a while ago. So this is my mighty best controller. That's how it looks like. Awesome, right? And pretty using pictures of this. We have some space for the battery there, and we are going to be provided by the 2 AA batteries. They come free. You can use them, but I threw mine away. They're done and they were used up, but I threw them away. And I kind of got these rechargeable batteries, and I normally recharge them. But if you have money, you can go ahead and buy the Xbox battery there, but I've not really gotten them. What else do we have inside here? We have gotten the inside. We have here some pretty markings here, and we have some user manuals here. This is 1, 2, Xbox, blah blah blah. Let's check what is inside here. Okay. Yeah, pretty a lot to read here. It's a big book, and I think these come in different languages. How to, yeah, they're telling us how to power up the how to connect it to the laptop, to the computer, and to the Xbox. Yes, and in my next video I'll be showing how to connect this controller to your computer or to your laptop.
Well, here's how it looks like. We are going to be installing in the batteries, but we just have to follow the signs here. You put the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. And, okay. Yeah, go ahead and switch lock the cover. So you can simply press the Xbox button, and it will start blinking. Yeah, it'll start blinking if it's connected to your computer. If it's already configured to your computer, it will connect automatically. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Xbox One S controller. Since it's using Bluetooth, it will be able to connect to your computer or laptop that is also using the Bluetooth or has the hardware, the Bluetooth hardware. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.